Okay, there are numerous ways to open Publisher. Sometimes there's an icon on your desktop where you can open it there. You can search for it just by typing in Publisher. I'm going to do it by voice, so I'm going to start the voice. Open Publisher. Okay, once Publisher is open, you want to start your tutorial. And be sure you read all of the information, go through it carefully, but the actual tutorial starts on page 4. The red circled one and all of those are the things that you're actually going to be doing. In the bold, it tells you what to do. So we've run Publisher. If the publisher window is not maximized, then we should maximize it. We're okay for right now. Number 2, in the publisher start screen, click built-in to display the built-in templates. So I click built-in. And then on page 5, in number 1, scroll down if you need to look at the available templates that you can see. There are a lot of them. And then number 2, click the flyers thumbnail to display the flyer templates and folders of additional templates. And then on page 6, in instruction 3, click the all event folder one time to open up all of those. And they want the capsule thumbnail to select it. So I scroll down until I find capsules, and there it is, and I click on it. And then you can see that it's selected over here on the left side. And that brings us to page 7. Click the color scheme button, the down arrow, to customize the color scheme, and they want Sagebrush. So we go down and choose Sagebrush. And you can see that this goes pretty fast as you're working through it. So I hope you will take the time to work through these. Click the font scheme. And in this case, they want us to choose Online Font Scheme. And there it is. Verdana is a popular font for online. Okay, and then that brings us to page 9. Click the Tear Offs button in the Options area to display the gallery. Click Contact Information. So it will display contact information, and that brings us to page 10. Click the Create button to create our selected template and the options that we have put in there. As let me mention one more time, that brings us to page 10, but be sure you do read all of the information like on page 11, and of course the by the ways in the corners. Those will help you as you go along to understand how to get started. This brings us to page 12, where we're going to hide the page navigation button. So down at the bottom where it says page number, click once. And you can see that it's showing on the left side, or we can click to turn it off. We do not need it on now. Then on page 13, point near the desired object or click the boundary of the desired object, in this case the title text bar. So we're going to click the title text bar, the border to select the object, and you can see that it's selected when it has the rotation at the top, and when it also has the resize at the left and right and on the bottom. This brings us to page 15. Actually 14, I don't want to skip that. Press the F9 key to zoom the selected object to approximately 100%. And there are also other ways to do that. You can do it right here under View, 100%, so that you can see that better. You will want to do that pretty frequently when you're working in Publisher. You'll want to zoom, and you can use the F9, or you can use other shortcut methods as well that you'll read about in the textbook. Then they want us to click the title text to select it, and that's on page 15. And then on page 16, type 5K family walk/run. For Children's Hospital. Number 3, below the business name, click the text in the description text box here to select the placeholder text. And then they have something else for you to type there to replace that text. And finish that one in typing all of that in there. And then on page 17, on the left side of the flyer, click the text in the phone number text box to select it and type the phone number there. Call 214-555-1306 to replace the text. And that brings us on page 17. End of this video.